No, it's a new year, new me, turn over a new leaf. Yeah, no, I just figured out all I needed was a hobby. So I went out, picked this little guy up, and he has just changed everything for me. I spritz him once a day, and he's like, I don't know, he's like my best friend. Yeah.
No, Mondays are succulents. Yeah, exactly, that's what I thought too. But I didn't know that worms were a good thing. And I just put him outside, and I pray to God that it rains. Listen to me, I've lost 3 plants this week, and if I lose one more, I'm going to lose everything else in my life.
Yeah, that was the problem with the plants. How can I take care of something if I can't take care of myself, you know? So I am cooking every single day. I got really into making pizza. It's super easy, it is delicious, and did you know that when you're cooking, especially with pizza, you can just drink wine whenever you want, no matter the time of day? It's kind of like a life hack.
Yeah, I was eating good, just a little bit too good if you ask me, so I'm hitting the gym every day. No rest. You know, that's what the secret is. Natural aesthetic, you just gotta push yourself. You know, I get up in 8 o'clock in the morning, I hit it. And 3 o'clock after lunch, I hit it again. 7 o'clock after dinner, you know I'm hitting it.
Yeah, I mean, it turns out that you can hit it too hard. No, it's fine, it's just a sprain, but like, I think I was trying to express myself physically when I really should have been expressing myself artistically. I mean, I'm just unlocking something here. I feel like Leonardo, what was the blue one? Yeah. Oh God, it's incredible. At the gallery, they said my work lacked depth, which went way over my head, but it's great because in the elevator, I heard this tune. And I think that my true calling is stringed instruments. And if it wasn't for all the mistakes in my life, I never would have actually realized that. So I'm kind of grateful that everything I've done up to now has failed because it's really... Yeah, I'm gonna call you right back. I got a vow of silence happening right now. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Hey, shut up! I am this close to inner peace. When I was deep in meditation, everything fell into place. Now, I know this might sound weird, but I think that there are cameras in my apartment. And I think that I'm being watched with every move that I make by some strange man being wheeled around by some other strange man, and I just don't know what is real anymore.
Yeah, so you know how I felt like I was being followed for a while? It turns out it was this little guy. Yeah, no, I named him Sevi. He's my best friend, and I think that's all I need right now. Come on, yeah, good boy.
Well, I thought Sevi needed a friend, so I got him a friend. And then I thought she needed a friend, so I got her a friend. And now there's just too many friends. I didn't think you could have too many friends, but it turns out you can. Sevi was my best friend, but now he just hangs out with his new friends, and I just have to clean up their crap all day, and their pee, and...
The dogs, they ran away. But look, this year has been so insane. I was thinking that my life could be a movie, you know, like a documentary. So I went out and I got a camera, I got lights, and I'm making that movie. You know, like this whole year, every time I call you and like tell you what I'm doing lately, even this phone call right now, this could be part of it. Like this could be like the meta twist to the whole documentary, you know? And like I'm telling you, oh, yo, I got into cooking, isn't that great? And then I get fat. Oh, now I'm into fitness, and then I break my wrist. Like, you'd watch that, right? This is good, right?
That was the worst thing I've seen in my life.
I spent all my savings on this camera, and I could have shot that on an iPhone. Hey, bud. I can't get rid of you. You're my best friend.